Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw broccoli. Let's start off by drawing the stalk, which is wide at the bottom and splits off into thinner branches. First, a vertical line that curves to the left, a horizontal line that bows down a bit, and on the other side, another vertical line that curves to the right. Above that, add a few curved V shapes like so for the thinner branches. Next, let's draw the top of the broccoli and notice the crown. Starting on the left side, draw a big cloud shape going all the way around to the other side. Then, in the middle, draw a smaller cloud shape with an open top like so. And two more to the left and right over the remaining branches. In the blank area above, draw one more cloud-shaped line. Finally, add some thin lines going along the stalk and branches for some added texture. And now you've got some broccoli! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.